Hello, Facebook.
Hi, Facebook. I am here with my real biological family. I found my dad, my mom.
Wait, Dad.
My auntie.
My auntie.
my long lost brother.
My long lost brother from a different color mother.
Juan.
And I'm his uncle.
And they found me. I was stuck at the border of Africa. And look where I'm at right now. I am here eating steak and white rice. Couldn't be black rice, but it was white rice. But that's okay.
This is what you get when you do Save the Children. They come to your fucking house.
Fuck, they fucked up.
So,
I just like to say, thanks, Mom, Dad, for letting me be back in your lives.
God bless us, everyone.
God bless us, everyone.